Alright, so in this video I want to share a strategy that anybody can use if you have TradingView Premium. What you're gonna do is I have it right now on MES 1 minute chart. I normally trade the 30-minute chart, but this is 1 minute. You're gonna um, on the chart type, you have Heikenhachi, regular candles. You're gonna place on volume footprint. Okay, now you need premium in order for to be able to use this feature. Okay, in the settings, you make sure for the 1 minute chart that you go to symbol, you click on row size, you click manual, ticks per row 1. Okay, and the rest like this: cluster, buy and sell, value area 70%. This is here very important. Imbalance 300%. This is I think it's default by default like this. Okay, and you click OK. Okay, now on the volume footprint chart. Okay, these areas over here, this yellowish area, it means there's a stacked up sell imbalance in that area. Okay, there was a lot more sellers than buyers in that candle on that area right there. You see, look at the amount of contracts: 50 versus 5, 65 versus 18, right? And when that happens, right, that's a good indication to sell, right? Right when that candle closes and it prints this, you're gonna see it. Then it's a good indication to sell. Okay, this candle over here, the very next candle printed another stacked up sell imbalance, right? And then it got filled up a little bit by this wick on this candle, but then the price kept going down. Okay, so if I zoom out a little bit, you got the first stacked up sell imbalance over here, and then you sell over here, stop loss above that candle, and boom. Okay, 10 points on ES. Okay, so that's one way. On the way up, same. Okay, now this candle over here, it printed this bullish stacked up imbalance. Look at the same also over here. You got the contract 38 versus 16 on the buy side, 38, 39 on the buy side, 0, 54, 0, right? So this area right here, you can buy there. And then what the price do? What the price do? Went up. Okay, stop loss below the candle, went up like 3 points. Okay, and you can scalp like this. Okay, um, and the good thing about this is that you can set alerts, so you don't have to be in front of the chart, right? So you can go add alert. Okay, you select the volume footprint chart, and you select not the new buy imbalance. You select sell imbalance is stacked. That's when you have several like this, and buy imbalance is stacked like that. These two, right? So this one, you make sure it says once per bar close, and once an open ended if you have the premium version. Okay, and that's it pretty much. And every time that happens, right, you get an alert and you can sell. Okay, um, that's it pretty much. Oh, one more thing. On the way back, so for example, you sold over here, right? You sold over here, and boom, 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 you made all these points. Okay, now on the way back up, this now becomes a magnet for price. Okay, and usually, see, to get this candle over here, usually when price hits this area on the way back up, it goes right through it. Okay, so you see that if you're going on the way back up, you're buying, you could put a target, profit target like right there before that, or even after, right after that, because sometimes it goes right through it. Look at this other area over here. It became a magnet. It went. Not only did it go right through this one, it went all the way up. It went to this one over here. This sale stacked up imbalance, and then it sold off again, and it left another imbalance area over here that you can target later on. Okay, so this area over here is a good area to target uh, on Sunday when market opens. Okay, and now we're talking here about 17 points. Okay, So that's something that I always use uh, when I trade my 30-minute charts. I take a look at this imbalance area on the 30-minute chart. So yeah, they become a magnet. All these because price is trying to rebalance this area right here, right over there. So it's a little messy. So you kind of have to zoom in a lot more if you're not used to it. So this sell imbalance area, when price goes back to it, it goes right through it, and usually very fast. Okay. Um, so another thing that you can do, uh, let's say you bought over here, right? You bought over here when this candle closed. It's a very big candle, so that's a very big stop loss. So definitely trade with micros. And you target over here. When price hits over here, you can add one more contract, and it usually goes. It takes that contract and just rips through it, right? And it makes you a little bit more money. Um, so that's it. I just wanted to share this quick strategy that you can use totally for free. No indicators needed, but you do need TradingView Premium to access this data over here. I love the footprint charts. I use this on a 30-minute chart, and it works very well. And so that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.